We're in the square foot garden family plot bed, and guess what I see? A very familiar weed. Could this be? I think it is. It's crabgrass. Crabgrass is a summer annual grassy weed. It loves moist conditions and soils that are compact. And yes, the soils here are pretty moist. So what you want to do is make sure that you get the root system. As you can see from a couple of the crabgrass seedlings that I pulled up, has a pretty good root system already. So do a good job. Make sure you identify the weeds that are in your garden, and when you're pulling them up, do get the root system. And once you pull up the crabgrass seedling, you don't want to lay it down on any dirt. You want to just sit it on the side, just let it dry out. Again, don't let it just lie around in the dirt because it will regerminate. So put it on a block or something like this, let it dry out, you'll be just fine. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.